All right, in this Easter 1 minute tip, let's talk about Google, because inside Church Marketing University, we love Google. We're always trying to get your church the most visibility and the most traffic by optimizing everything you're doing for Google. But there's one feature inside your Google My Business account that a lot of churches aren't aware of, and it's the ability to make posts. So you can go in, and step one would be to optimize everything under your Google My Business account for your church. And if you haven't done that, you need to get inside the Foundations course inside Church Marketing University. But once you've done that, you'll see this opportunity to create a post, and you can create updates, you can post about events, and my recommendation would be any major thing that your church is doing. New sermon series, new outreaches, new events, big events for your community. You need to be creating posts inside your Google My Business account. Now, it's not going to get you like a ton of traffic. It's just another way to help get the word out, and it's going to get you brownie points with Google, which is always a great thing. So if you haven't already, think about what are you doing for Easter? What are you doing for Mother's Day? What are you doing in and around that? And go start creating posts using your Google My Business account. All right, we'll see you in the next tip.